Hello, exclamation mark. Welcome back to Ms. V English channel.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy to see you today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm David. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English.
Yes, please help us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
It really helps. Thank you. So, Emma, what are we talking about today?
Today we are going to learn how to talk about our clothes. It's a very useful topic.
Talking about clothes is fun. So, Emma, how are you today?
I'm wonderful, thank you. And you?
I'm excellent. I'm in a very good mood.
Oh, that's great to hear. Why is that?
Well, this weekend I did some baking. I made cookies.
Really? Wow, that sounds like a lovely weekend. What kind of cookies?
Chocolate chip cookies. They are my favorite. I love chocolate chip cookies.
Were they good?
They were delicious. I ate maybe too many cookies. Ha ha.
It's easy to eat too many homemade cookies. I understand completely.
What about you? What did you do this weekend?
I had a very nice time. I went to the park with my friends. We had a picnic.
A picnic in the park. That sounds perfect. Was the weather nice?
Yes, it was sunny and warm. A perfect day. A picnic and cookies. Our weekends were both about good food.
That's true. The best kind of weekend.
I agree. So, are you ready to talk about clothes?
I am ready. I have a question for you, Emma.
Okay. What is your question?
What is your favorite piece of clothing? Your favorite thing to wear?
That is a difficult question. I have many clothes. Let me think.
Please take your time.
I think my favorite is my blue jacket. It's not too hot and not too cold. Perfect for spring and autumn.
Oh, a jacket. Good choice. I have a red jacket. I love it.
Red is a great colour for you. My favourite thing to wear at home is my old, comfortable sweater.
An old sweater? Is it nice?
It's not very nice to look at, but it is very, very soft and warm. I love it. It's like a hug.
I see. Comfort is very important. Sometimes the oldest clothes are the best.
Yes, they are. What about you? What is your favourite thing to wear?
My favorite thing. I think it is this blue dress I have. It's a summer dress.
A dress? Ha ha ha. I don't wear dresses.
I know. It's for women. It's light blue and white. I wear it in the summer when the weather is hot.
That sounds perfect for summer. Do you wear it with sandals?
Yes, with brown sandals. It's a very relaxed outfit.
Outfit? What does outfit mean?
Oh, outfit means all the clothes you're wearing together. Shirt, pants, shoes. Everything is an outfit.
Ah, I understand. So my outfit today is a green t-shirt, blue jeans, and white sneakers.
Yes, that's your outfit. And it's a nice outfit.
Thank you. So, where do you usually buy your clothes, David?
I usually buy my clothes at the shopping mall. There are many stores there. I like to see and touch the clothes.
I see. I often buy clothes online. It's easy and fast.
But is it easy to find the right size online?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sometimes the shirt is too big,
Oh, too big. That's not good.
or sometimes the pants are too long.
Too long. That is a problem. What do you do then?
I have to return them. It takes time. It's a little annoying.
When I go to the mall, I can try on the clothes before I buy them.
Try on. You mean put on the clothes in the store to see if they fit?
Yes, exactly. I can try on a shirt to see if it is too small or too big. I can look in the mirror.
That is a very good idea. I should do that more often. Maybe I will go to the mall with you next time.
That's a great idea. I can help you choose clothes.
Perfect. So, what kind of clothes do you like? Formal or casual?
Oh, casual clothes 100%. I like t-shirts, jeans, shorts, and sneakers. I want to be comfortable.
So relaxed clothes.
Yes, very relaxed. I only wear formal clothes for special times, like a wedding or a job interview.
What do you wear for a wedding?
I wear a suit, a black suit, a white shirt, and a tie.
And nice shoes.
Yes, nice black shoes, not my sneakers.
That sounds very nice. You look handsome in a suit.
Well, thank you. What about you? Do you like formal clothes?
Sometimes I like to wear a nice dress for a party or a restaurant, but for every day I prefer casual clothes.
Like your shirt and pants today?
Yes, this is my casual style, good for work and free time.
Let's talk about the seasons. My clothes change a lot in summer and winter.
Of course, in summer it's hot, so I wear light clothes,
Light clothes like what?
like t-shirts, shorts, skirts, dresses and sandals. The colours are often light too, like white or yellow.
I wear similar things. T-shirts, shorts, and sandals or sneakers. I have a favorite pair of shorts. They are blue.
And in winter it's very cold here.
Yes, in winter I wear heavy clothes. A warm coat, a sweater, long thick pants.
Me too. And I wear a scarf, gloves, a hat, and boots. Everything is for warmth.
Boots are important when it snows. You need good boots.
Yes. What about colours? Do you have a favourite colour for clothes?
I think blue and green and black. Many of my clothes are blue, green, or black. Easy to match.
Those are good colours. I like blue and red, and patterns.
Patterns? What are patterns?
Patterns are designs on the cloth, like stripes or flowers.
Oh, I see. My t-shirt has no pattern. It's plain green.
Plain means no pattern. Yes, this dress is plain blue, but I also have a shirt with white stripes.
Stripes are nice. I have a shirt with checks, like a tablecloth.
A checked shirt? Yes, I know that one. It's nice.
Thank you. So let's talk about getting dressed. What is the first thing you put on in the morning?
Usually I put on my pants or my skirt.
I put on my socks first, then my pants.
Socks first. That's interesting. Why?
Hmm, I don't know. It's my habit. Then I choose a shirt. Sometimes I change my shirt 2 or 3 times.
Really? Why do you change your shirt?
Sometimes the color is not right or it doesn't feel good. Small problems.
Do you think about your clothes the night before?
No, never. I choose in the morning. Sometimes it's difficult.
I sometimes choose the night before. It saves time.
That is a good idea. Maybe my mornings will be easier.
Maybe.
So, Emma, what clothes do you usually wear to work?
For work, I usually wear something simple, a nice blouse and pants, comfortable but professional.
Hmm, a blouse. What is a blouse?
A blouse is a shirt for women, usually nicer than a t-shirt.
Oh, I understand. A blouse is more formal.
Yes, And what do you wear to work, David?
I usually wear a shirt and trousers. Not jeans, more formal trousers.
And you tuck in your shirt?
Yes, I always tuck in my shirt for work. It looks cleaner.
I agree. A tucked in shirt always looks nice.
Do you wear heels to work?
No, I don't like heels. I prefer flat shoes. Very comfortable.
Flat shoes are the best. Heels are beautiful but painful.
Exactly. Beauty is pain. Ha ha.
Ha 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 ha. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis. What about at home? What do you wear when you're relaxing?
At home, I wear very comfy clothes, a big t-shirt and soft pants.
Yes, home clothes must be comfortable.
And you?
I wear sweatpants and a loose shirt. Very relaxed.
I think everyone has home clothes, clothes only for relaxing.
Yes, I have a very old t-shirt I only wear at home.
Is it your favourite?
Yes, it's not pretty, but it's perfect.
Ha ha, I understand completely.
So, Emma, do you like shopping for clothes?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why?
Because sometimes I find something perfect and sometimes nothing looks good.
Ah, yes, that happens.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I enjoy looking at colors and styles. I like trying new things.
What is the most expensive piece of clothing you own?
Oh, good question. I think my coat. It was very expensive.
But a good coat is important, warm and long-lasting.
True, and you?
My most expensive item is a dress I bought for a wedding.
Was it beautiful?
Yes, very beautiful, but I only wore it once.
Ha ha, that happens a lot.
Yes, wedding clothes, expensive but used one time.
Let's talk about laundry.
Laundry. Oh no.
Ha ha. Yes, clothes get dirty. We must wash them.
True. I wash my clothes once or twice a week.
Same open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Do you separate colors?
Yes, white clothes must stay white.
And dark clothes stay dark.
Exactly. And some clothes need special care, delicate fabrics.
Delicate, like silk?
Yes, silk, lace, thin material. You must wash them carefully.
I usually read the label.
Oh, the label tells you how to wash the clothes.
Yes, sometimes it says hand wash only.
And that means trouble. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. Yes, a lot of work.
Okay, so now let's review some useful clothing vocabulary for our students.
Yes, vocabulary time.
Shirt, t-shirt, blouse, sweater, jacket, coat.
Pants, jeans, shorts, skirt, dress, suit, tie.
Shoes, sandals, boots, sneakers.
Scarf, gloves, hat.
Socks, don't forget socks.
Ha 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 ha. Yes, socks are important.
Also, patterns.
Yes, stripes, checks, flowers, dots.
And sizes, small, medium, large, extra large.
And words like too big, too small, too short, too long.
Perfect.
So, Emma, what is the best clothing advice you can give?
Wear clothes that make you feel confident.
Nice, I like that.
And you?
Wear what makes you comfortable, physically and emotionally.
That is perfect advice.
So, everyone, thank you for watching today's lesson on clothing.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed it and learned some useful English.
Please like this video and subscribe to Miss V English channel for more lessons.
And tell us in the comments, what is your favourite piece of clothing?
We want to know.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.